Get you adjusted. So proper mechanics. Breathe and relaxing. Good. And then on your back. Around this way. And what you're going to see is with some reversal in the middle of this neck, what we would never do is grab your neck and go like this. What you need is that adjustment right there. Chin down. Right there. Like that. And then come on up. Awesome. And relaxing into that. Good. This is actually an adjustment. 6 beats a second. And then C2, which is waiting on me right there. Like that. Good. Some people need a big, hard, rigid spine move to get the nervous system freed up. Some people don't. All right, one more. Standing up. Let me see. Good. Face that way. We're going to drop that left shoulder and relax. Oh, that's so good.
Thank you.
Awesome.